Let's talk about the nature of collaboration. Funny story there, right? What is collaboration? It's simple as a tweet. 140 character tweet. You're tweeting, I'm tweeting, next thing you know, we're collaborating. We're coming up with a design. We're coming up with thoughts. We're evolving things. We're commenting on stuff. 140 character kind of transactions. And then you have the other extreme, where an entire section of an aircraft, fully stuffed, insulation, wiring, piping, whole deal, is shipped from a supplier to the primary aircraft OEM to be bolted together and welded together in a giant chunk, right? Both of those are collaboration. Both of them very different ideas of what collaboration is, though. A tweet versus a fully stuffed section.